guys, Robin here with WTI, wanting to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite things, chocolate. And not just any chocolate, the Lindt and LINDOR little truffles here. So this is just the plain milk. I absolutely love them. Sometimes you don't want all that extra flavor and stuff, just that really delicious chocolate. So they come in their little individual wraps here and then are super, super lovely. I have these at room temperature, just being in a tropical climate. If I put them in the fridge, they do go too solid, so it depends on what you're after. But you have it right here, and then once you bite into it, you can see that ooey gooey chocolate. I absolutely love it. I love the textural contrast between the outside chocolate shell and the runny inside. So delicious, honestly. I could eat the whole packet. I don't recommend you do that though. So right here on the back, it does have that description of what it tastes like, the nice melting chocolate as soon as you bite into it. It is absolutely delicious. I love it. I recommend it. But that's just my point of view.